Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're back again with another review. I was gonna say try on, but it's not closed, but I guess technically I'm trying it on my lips. We are trying on, okay. So we are reviewing the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. It's her lip kit, and it is, what's this called? Kylie Friday. It's matte, and I purchased this Black Friday, Kylie Friday, you get it. This retails for $29. You get the liquid lipstick and the lip liner. Like I've been saying, I'm a matte lip kind of girl, even though right now I've been into glosses, but I just really like this color. And Black Friday, I was going a little crazy doing online shopping, and this popped up along with the lip oil, which I'm doing a giveaway and a review on, so check that out. But this popped up on Black Friday and I really liked it, so let's check it out. This is all black and all black. Black Friday, black. Let's try it on. Smells like candy. Let's see. Ew, it's like a weird feeling. When I put it on, it kind of feels like it felt powdery kind of on my lips when I put this on. Very dry, very matte. You need moisturized lips whenever you put this on because this is super matte. If your lips are already dry, don't even. Okay, let's try this. So this is a lipstick and the lip liner. The color is really pretty. I love this color. My lips are already dry and this is just making them super dry. This is really, this is matte. When they say matte, this is matte. I wonder how it'll look with some lip stuff on it. Put a little something on it to make it not as dry. Okay. Oh, yep, I love this color. That's her Kylie Friday, which was released on Black Friday. If you're a fan of matte and like nudish pink, I would definitely suggest this. All right, y'all, that was another short but sweet review like we like to do here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.